Hello, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo ONEREEL. Today, I will introduce this latest product called Double Flange Steel Tube Skeletal Wire Reel. It is a traditional skeletal design, suitable for triaxle camera cable, multicore audio cable, and heavy-duty power cable. There is a space inside the hub for a short distance from the inside end of the cable that can be pulled out and attached to the tailgate or wall box without completely loosening the cable. The series of extremely strong skeleton cable drum are especially suitable for travel, for live, in home TV or movie studios. They are made of heavy welded steel pipes coated with integral passivated zinc plates. It is lightweight and easy to carry. We can put it on this real rotated platform, so it will roll smoothly, like this. It will be easier to pull out and rewind the cables. It comes in two standard sizes, like this one. Its flange diameter is 615 millimeters. Hub diameter is 230 millimeters. Drum hub width is 226 millimeters, and the total width is 270 millimeters. The total weight is 7.5 kilograms, and we have other triple flange. You can find the details and information in our website.